dough should not feel wet. Turn the dough out onto a surface and then bring it together into a large singular mass that is cohesive, but you are not trying to knead it at this point because we don't want to melt our fat with too much heat from our hands. Roughly shape it into a square to make it easier to divide it into even pieces. With this batch, I'm going to divide it into 12 pieces, approximately 85 grams each. Take each piece and wrap it with plastic wrap, flattening it into a disc to make it easier to roll out either. You can obviously just use a rolling pin for this, but since I have a sheeter, I'm going to go ahead and use it to create a circular piece of dough approximately 3 millimeters or 1/8 inch thick and about 6 inches wide. Fill the middle with the filling, about 2 large spoonfuls, and then brush some beaten egg at the bottom edge. Pull the top edge to meet the bottom edge of the half circle and press down to seal. You can create any type of crimping you want here, even just using the tines of a fork, but you can twist the edges over, which is more traditional. It will look like a crimped hand pie when you are done. Don't worry about any ragged edges. set all 6 on a parchment-lined pan and brush again with egg